Hey friends, let's do Tonight's the Night guitar lesson by Rod Stewart. I'll talk you through all the guitar parts, all with on-screen tab and chord charts to make it easy to follow along. And we're tuned to E flat. So we play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're going to start on an A flat major 7 there, so we have 4, 6, 5, 5, 4 and 4, we just strum that, then just play E, B, G, then we're coming up to a D flat 6, we're going to play the 9th fret on the A, 11 on the G, 11 on the B, 11 on the G, and then play 11 on the E, on the B, back on the G there. Then we're coming back to a B7, we're going to play 4 on the D, 2 on the G, 4 on the B, 2 on the E, back to 4 on the B, and then just strum the B7. Then we're coming up to just a D flat chord here, we're going to play 4 on the A, jump to G, 6, B6, G6, and then 4, 6, 6. And then come back to an F sus4, just strum, and then F. So that's the hardest part of the song there. Now let's play the next part for you. So we're starting with the C, and our strumming pattern is going to be a down, mute, so use your second down strum as the mute there. We're just hitting the strings with the side of our hand, and then up, down, up. So down, mute, up, down, up. And we start with C, and that's 1 bar there, and then we go to an F major 7 and the same 1 bar. And we do that through 4 times there, so let's do that a couple of times. So 4 times there. Then we go to a B flat major 7, keep the same strumming pattern going. Then we're going to do a G, just 1 down strum. G at 11, so we're just playing the 1st fret on the B string and an open E string there in the top part of the G, 1 down strum, and then to a G7, 1 down strum there. So that little part there. And then just back to the C and the F major 7 for 4 there, and that's our verse. Before we go on, if you're enjoying the lesson, please like and subscribe and say good day in the comments. We have new songs and lessons every week, and you can also make a small donation on the Patreon page to help keep the channel going, and there's a link in the description, and that would be fantastic. So let's get back into it. Then we have our chorus, I'll play that for you. So we're just starting on the C for a bar again, F major 7 for a bar, C for a bar, this time go to A minor for a bar, D minor for a bar, F for a bar, C for a bar. Then we're going to do G for a bar, we're just going to give it down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, there. And that's our chorus. From there we go back to our second verse, Now this time we're just playing the C for a bar and the F major 7 for a bar. We do that 4 times. We're not doing the B flat, the G at 11 and the G7. We're leaving that out. Then from that second verse we go back to the chorus, and then we have our instrumental. Let me play that for you, then we'll break it down. So this time we're just starting with an E flat, bar chord, 1 bar, same strumming pattern. Go back to an A flat major 7, 1 bar. Do that 2 times, back to the E flat. The A flat major 7. Back to C for a bar. F major for a bar, so F major 7 there. Then to the G for a bar, then do another bar with our down, up, and that's our instrumental there. From there we just go back to our second verse, then to our chorus, and then we just keep playing the verse till the end, the C to the F major 7, and that's all the parts there. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed tonight's The Night Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon.